Going to the hospital. Let's learn English. My class. Your class.
I was playing with my friends when I fell from the slide. Slide. I was not feeling well. So, Mum took me to the hospital. Dr. Sue was very nice. She used the stethoscope to listen to my heartbeats. Stethoscope. Heartbeats. So, she called the nurse. Miss Peterson. Nurse. She was so kind to me. She took me to the X-ray room, and everything was fine. I only had a bruise on my knee. Bruise. Miss Peterson asked me to lay down on the stretcher. Lay down. Stretcher. And applied a healing ointment on my knee. Ointment. After, she put a bandage on my knee. Bandage. Dr. Sue told Mum that I should rest and take medicine for 3 days. Medicine. But when I left the hospital, I was already feeling well. It's very important to visit the doctor.
What about subscribing my channel?